Okay, thank you very much for the audience and TPC have given to me to presentation my article in the International Conference ICOMSAT 2020. My name is Akmaluddin from STEMIC Nusa Mandiri, Jakarta, Indonesia. And then the title is The Selection Process for the Brand Rating of Comfortable and Hybrid Laptop with Multi-Criteria Decision Making and Analytical Hierarchical Process Method Recommendation. For the introduced assessment of the technology product is seen from the performance criteria for its use over a period of 1 year. Especially for product with the comfortable and hybrid category, the purpose of the study was to select the best brand rating of comfortable and hybrid laptop category in 2019. The method to be used to provide the best assessment is multi-criteria decision making and analytical hierarchy process with a hierarchical model with 4 levels that are uniquely related to determine of the optimal of eigenvector. This problem can be simplified by using a model in the form of a hierarchical like this. The solution to this problem consists of 4 levels, such as goal criteria, sub-criteria, and alternatives. The number of criteria used is 5 criteria, which are divided into 20 sub-criteria, and while the selection of alternative amount to 4 alternatives. To solve this problem, I use an instrumentation in the form of a questionnaire for about 500 respondents to determine a number of input to be processed by using the arrangement of Paris matrix in determine the amount of each level of criteria, sub-criteria, and alternative. The 5 criteria uses consist of display and audio, technical support, value and selection, media input, and design. All of this we will find how much each value of the optimal eigenvector for each criterion. Likewise, the sub-criteria, which is the crystallization of the criteria, in the hierarchical, there are as many as 20 sub-criteria, and all of them must also be obtained the optimal value from the eigenvector. To determine the ranking of a number of alternatives, first perform the optimal eigenvector calculation, starting from the criteria and sub-criteria. Likewise, at the alternative level of each criterion, after finding all the optimal eigenvector, the final process is to perform a synthesis process to determine the rank of each alternative. Okay, this is the one solution. For the first solution, compile the Paris matrix and then multiply the matrix so that the optimal eigenvector value is found, so that there is no difference between the previous eigenvector value and the last eigenvector value. If there is still a difference, then multiply the Paris matrix again. If the optimal eigenvector value of the criteria has been found, then testing the consistency value. Consistency consists of 2 parts, namely consistency index and consistency ratio. The most important value for consistency as a measure is the consistency ratio, where the value must be less than or equal to 10%. The result of the calculation of the criteria results in a value against the consistency ratio with the value of 0.044. Thus, it can be interpreted that the initial decision on the criteria is acceptable, so that the next calculation process can be carried out, of course, with the same step for all sub-criteria and alternatives levels. This method is done by using mathematically algebra matrix, and there is another way, namely the second way. I try to use an expert choice application which is often used by many experts as decision-making support. How about the result? It turned out that it gives the same result for each value of eigenvector criteria. You can see on the presentation slide the result obtained for the optimal eigenvector have the same value for each criterion. The first criterion is that the display and audio have an optimal eigenvector value is 0.370, followed by the tech support criteria with an optimal eigenvector is 0.212, and then the criteria for value and selection with the optimal eigenvector is 0.158. Then the criteria for media input with an optimal eigenvector is 0.144. And finally, the design criteria with an eigenvector is 0.116. Thus, the two methods that have been done can give us an idea that mathematically algebra matrix and the method using an expert choice application have given us confidence that the steps have been taken are acceptable for decision-making support, so that for the sub-criteria level and the alternative level, you can follow step by step in the order that has been done at the criteria levels. This is the sub-criteria display and audio. You can see that the eigenvector is the same like an expert choice application. And the next one, for the sub-criteria display and audio, you can see the eigenvector between using algebra matrix and expert choice application. The eigenvector is the same each other. Okay, for the next one, for the tech support sub-criteria also has the same value to the optimal eigenvector. The involvement of the optimal eigenvector is very important, and it must always be proven that whether the MCDM method has the same result in the calculation process with the method of mathematically algebra matrix compared to using the expert choice application. For further, we can see in the next presentation, the section talk about the value and selection sub-criteria. It only has three parts, namely reliability, object, and part, each of which has the same optimal eigenvector value that is done with the mathematically algebra matrix compared with the expert choice application. The sub-criteria is reliability with the optimal eigenvector is having a value of 0.419. The subject sub-criteria is 0.287, and the part sub-criterion is 0.294. The next sub-criterion is input media, with the same calculation step having the same value on the optimal eigenvector, with four sub-criteria such as bearing, position, touchpad, and size. Each of the optimal eigenvectors produced were 0.359, 0.201, 0.219, and 0.222. All eigenvectors optimal also have the same result as the expert choice application. Okay, and this is the last derivative criterion, which consists of four sub-criteria, namely arrangement, increasing value, model, and color, with each sub-criterion that has a value consisting of the arrangement sub-criteria is 0.335. The increasing value is 0.225. The model is 0.229. And the last sub-criteria is color with the optimal eigenvector is 0.181. Okay, next, through the appearance of the image in this presentation, I try to convey that overall presentation of each level to show the overall research result using the multi-criterion decision-making or MCDM method in a full hierarchical form. From the level of criteria, sub-criteria, and alternative, you can see it. you can see this image. What appears in the presentation this time is the wall of the optimal eigenvector using the expert choice application. So many steps have been taken to prove that the MCDM method with the optimal eigenvector search provide evidence that the resulting value is determined by the accuracy of the decimal value of the optimal eigenvector. Okay, take a look. By the displaying the final results mean we are nearing the end of the presentation of this presentation material. Okay, look at the following picture. This is the result of final research that is proven by a synthesis that describes the final accumulation in ranking of number of alternative of convertible and hybrid laptop product in 2019. The result obtained are that the worst ranking of alternative is given to the HP EliteBook X360 with optimal eigenvector is 0349, and following the product are Dell XP S13, Asus VivoBook Pro 17, and the last product Lenovo Yoga C930 respectively, with the respective value shown on the presentation slide, with a value of 0.276, 0.216, and 0.159. Okay, this is the conclusion of my research. The selection of the brand rating of convertible and hybrid laptop optimally provides an overview for the best decision support. From the result of the unique calculation process with the multi-criteria decision-making analytic hierarchy process methods, it gives optimal result through the final state of synthesis. The result obtained are for the first rank with the highest optimal eigenvector value is 0.349 for the HP EliteBook X360. Then the second rank followed by Dell XP S13 with an optimal eigenvector value is 0.276. Then the third rank is Asus VivoBook Pro 17 with the optimal eigenvector is 1.216. And the last ranking of the four alternative is Lenovo Yoga C930 with an optimal eigenvector value is 0.159. Thus, the multi-criteria decision-making analytic hierarchy process methods, which is unique, is able to provide optimal and best decision result for the selection of the brand rating of convertible and hybrid laptop 2019. Okay, that's all for my presentation material that I can deliver at the International Conference in ICOMSAT 2020. And thank you.